voice, there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
The South Korean giant is getting ready to bring the Galaxy A70e smartphone, which will be in addition to the A70 series. This should be more affordable than the original Galaxy A70 smartphone that was launched earlier. The upcoming Galaxy A70e has been cited in leak-based renders that come with an Infinity V display. From the leaks, we can see that the handset will sport a notch for housing the front camera, but seems to have very thick bezels. The leaks have been shared by OnLeaks, and compare Roger revealing the triple camera setup of the phone along with the fingerprint scanner placed on the rear. The leak-based renders of the Samsung Galaxy A70e, shared by OnLeaks and Compare Raja, also show a triple camera setup on the back as well as a fingerprint scanner. The phone will be charged via a micro USB port, which is flanked by a single speaker grille. The power and volume buttons seem to be on the right side of the phone, and Samsung has retained the 3.5mm headphone jack on this version of the Galaxy A70 as well. The leaks also tell us that the Galaxy A70e will be available in black and white color options. There might be other color variants at launch. The specifications for the Galaxy A70e are currently unknown, but Machina states that the screen will be 6.1 inches with flat edges. It is going to be a more budget-friendly variant of the Galaxy A70, which has a Snapdragon 675 SoC, 6.70-inch display, 6GB RAM, 128GB, and a 4500 mAh battery. It had a 32-megapixel plus 8-megapixel plus 5-megapixel camera setup on the back. The Galaxy A70s, on the other hand, had the exact same specifications as the Galaxy A70, with the only difference being a 64-megapixel sensor instead of the 32-megapixel one. The Galaxy A70 starts at Rs. $22,499, $315, while the Galaxy A70 starts at Rs. $25,999, $365. Pricing and availability for the Galaxy A70e are currently unknown, but the price tag can be expected to be significantly lower.
So that's it for this video. If you guys enjoy this video, then a like would be appreciated. Also, if you are interested in similar content, then make sure to hit that subscribe button below, because I upload such video regularly. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.